Hey guys, welcome back to another demonstration. Here we have the 52-inch Hampton made Brookhurst in white with the bleached oak side down and a craft-made spotlight kit with a 3-way chain in it. So let's get started. The pull chain was recently replaced on this since it has broke, but we got it all fixed. And the victim is this thing. So yeah. And the original light kit is right here. I'll do an original demo of that on, but yeah. High speed. This thing doesn't really wobble, it just, yeah. I mean, it has a 6-inch down rod, so looks really good.